Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the new keys I just acquired for my Hummer. I'll lay everything out here so you guys can have a better look. So these are the two new keys I acquired, and this is the key I had before, and I also had the shop, the locksmith, get one extra key for me. So you can definitely see the difference for a vehicle like the Hummer to have just a plain Jane key like this, as opposed to a premium looking key with a blade that can flip to inside the key fob. So I definitely really appreciated these ones, and I love them. I got them online and they were a breeze to program for the Hummer. It took me just about maybe 5 minutes. I have a video, one of my prior videos within the past, I think that within the last 2 posts is the video of me programming this key to the Hummer, and it works perfectly. It took them a little bit to get the cut right, but they did it once and they did it right, and now it works. The keys are pretty cheap. I think they were like $20 for the two, but you notice it's missing the Hummer logo right here. It would have been a nice touch. And then the other thing about these keys is that they also come with the batteries installed already. So all what you need to do is take the keys to your local locksmith, have them program it to your vehicle, and then you are good to go. All right, let's go ahead and try the keys. That way you guys can see how they work. I'll put a link down in the description where you can obtain these keys, and so you can see I can press unlock and the car has unlocked. I have the option where I can have the lights flash. I can program that on the information system in there, and then you also have the lock and then unlock. So it's really amazing. I love it. Let's get in. Sorry about my torn seat. And once inside, let's put it in the ignition. You can see it works perfectly. I'm very pleased with the key. So it's a nice little upgrade. Doesn't take too much room. You don't have two separate items, a key and a fob, to carry around. Now you have everything just integrated in the fob, and also it's just much more pleasant to have a key like that for a vehicle like the Hummer instead of just having a plain Jane key. Let's go here for a quick spin. It's a beautiful day today, but it's still a little cold. 7 degrees Fahrenheit, not too far from freezing. I think that's my alternator making a squeaking noise up front. I don't know if there's an option to grease the alternators, or I just have to wait for it to die out and then buy a new one. I found out it's squeaking a little bit when I was doing my power steering pump, and I could spin the alternator and I could hear that little squeaking noise. It's just annoying. Do a turn here. Yeah, I'll step out so you guys can hear that noise. It's quite annoying. So there we go. I'm still to get the vehicle cleaned up. Just haven't had time, and it's been so cold out here. So one of these days. All right, thanks for joining me, and catch you guys on the next video.